Let me guess. You want to make money online, but you don't want to show your face all the time. You don't have hours to film or edit, and you feel like everybody else is getting paid but you. Whew, baby, I feel you. That's why today I'm giving you the cheat code. I'm breaking down the best faceless niches that make money on repeat. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I will even show you how to create that content without even touching a camera. Yes. And most importantly, I'm showing you from my perspective as a single mom with limited time and a busy life, how to do this thing. But first, you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money making content. And the way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and leave a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the best faceless niches to make money on repeat with no camera needed. Let's go. Let's get into it. Why does faceless content work in the first place? Have you ever scrolled and stopped on a video of a pretty desk setup, or somebody stirring some coffee, or a beach view, or somebody living some soft life of luxury? There's no face, no talking, but for some reason you can't stop watching, right? That right there is the power of faceless content. It makes people feel something. And when you make people feel something, they click, they share, and most importantly, they buy. Me personally, I use a hybrid method. Some of my content shows my face. I don't have a problem showing my face, but some of my content does not show my face. And being able to put out faceless content helped me save time, grow fast, and get paid, all without being glued to a camera every single day. Because listen, baby, sometimes I don't want to do the hair and the makeup, okay? The thing is, you can do the same thing. There are so many faceless pages out there doing the darn thing, okay? Think of Hollywood Unlocked, The Shade Room. If you notice, none of them show their face. Plus, there are a lot of small pages out there making tens of thousands of dollars per month from this faceless content, and I'm going to put you on to the game. So how are these creators making the money? I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this, so pay attention, okay? The first thing you have to do is post a video, okay? A lot of times you're so busy taking in the content and scrolling, even here on YouTube, you're watching video after video and you haven't posted a darn thing. So the first thing you have to do is post that video, okay? You feel me? Are we here? If you don't have access to faceless videos or you don't want to film them yourself, remember, stick with me because I'm going to put you onto the game of how to access thousands of videos, okay? But once you post that faceless video, you can add a quote, a tip, or a trending sound, and boom, you have a reel, a TikTok, a YouTube short, or a Pinterest pin. Yes, Pinterest has vertical video. And what happens is people stop scrolling to watch your content. Why? Because your video looks good, it feels good, and it matches a vibe that people love, like luxury, peace, motivation, and glow up energy. Again, it's about making people feel good because when they feel good, they eventually want to buy. And this next step is really, really important. You have to tell them where to go. That's called a call to action. You're calling them to take some kind of an action. This could be click the link in my bio for my journal or planner or digital products, whatever it is that you have. Or grab my freebie in the comments. Or like the one that I use on my Instagram, DM me the word boss for a free starter guide. And we're getting them to click because we want them to join our email list, which is really important if you are going to sell products. Start an email list. I use Kit. And if you are interested in Kit for being able to email your customers automatically, then I will link Kit down in the description for you. But the reason why we want them to join our list is because we want to be able to have direct contact with them so that we can upsell them to our products later on down the line if they don't buy right now. When they click, they'll either join your list or you'll prompt them to buy right there on the spot. But you having posted that video and adding that call to action, you now have their attention and a way to make money, whether that's from a $7 digital product, an affiliate link, coaching, or even brand deals down the line. But remember, you have to post that video in the first place, get them to take the action, and then tell them where you want to go. Once you've done that, do it again, okay? Because faceless content allows you to save time. It allows you to grow faster and sell smarter. So you should be putting out that content faster than you would if you had to film it yourself, okay? So you're not just posting, you are creating a money path. So now that you understand how to make that money, let's get into the 8 faceless niches that work, okay? So the first one would be aesthetic lifestyle content. What does that look like? That would be like candles, journals, matcha lattes, cozy desks. People love this type of content because it's peaceful, it's beautiful, and it's scroll stopping. Again, we want them to feel. So how can you monetize that aesthetic content? You can sell planners, you can promote affiliate products like journals or mugs, or you can post routines and quote videos to build trust, because that know, like, trust factor is really, really important. People get to know you or know the type of content that you put out. They start to like it, and then they trust you enough to start to buy. And so, you know, this list isn't in any particular type of order, but the second best niche to make money with faceless content would be boss babe energy. That's what I like to call it. So basically what this looks like is the girls doing the thing, okay? Boss vibes. People love this type of content because it screams, I'm building my empire, look at me, even if it's not actually you. The way to monetize this boss babe type of content is to sell an ebook, a course, coaching, promote your business tools, use quotes or voiceovers to build authority. Because when you're building authority, people start to trust you. They learn that you know what you're talking about. And you can do that simply by having text overlay giving them tips on top of these boss babe videos. So there you go. Let's move on to option number 3 of the best faceless niches to make money online. And that would be melanin videos or the black girl magic type of videos, glowing skin, high-end vibes. That's culturally diverse. And I'm going to be honest with you. I was looking for these brown girl faceless videos myself because I wanted to feel represented. And it was so hard to find these videos. And it's a shame that it's not easier to find them. But if you stick with me, I will tell you how you can get access to these videos if you are looking for these melanated type of videos as well, if you want to feel represented or if you want to diversify your content. But why do people love this type of content? I just stated one reason is because people want to feel represented. Another reason is it's inspirational to see people that look like you or people in various cultures doing the darn thing. That hits a little different. So how can you monetize this melanated content? You can promote skincare, fashion, mindset guides, or you can build a self-care brand around soft life living. I just dropped a whole bunch of gems there. Hopefully you picked them up. But let's get into this 4th niche to make money with faceless content, and that would be motivational videos. And this could look like luxury watches, gym clips, cars. I see a lot of this in my feed. And the reason why people love this is because it shows discipline, it shows grind, it shows quiet money energy. And the way that you can monetize this is by using motivational voiceovers. I see that all the time on my Instagram. You can also sell some gym gear, digital guides. You probably never even thought about that. But let's move on to the 5th niche to make money with faceless content, and that would be travel. What does that look like? First class flights, tropical beaches, basically not being closed in, having that freedom of seeing the world. And people love this type of content because they want to escape. They want to get out. They're tired of being closed in the house. This right here sells a dream. People aspire to get out, to travel the world, to see things. So the way that you can monetize this, like one of my clients is actually doing, is by doing travel guides. People need tips when they're traveling, and you could do this with various niche topics such as traveling with a toddler, or build content around how to work from anywhere in the world. People love it, I'm telling you. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Nikki, where do I even get all these videos? I don't have the time to film all these videos.
That's where the viral video vault comes in. So I created this vault of over 8,000 videos to help creators like you to skip the filming, skip the stress, and jump straight into posting money-making content. Plus, I added a bonus of over 250 viral hooks because people, when they're scrolling, a lot of times they're not trying to pay attention. So what are you going to say to get them to stop scrolling and pay attention to your video? Plus, one more bonus for y'all. You will get a monetization and rebranding training, because these videos right here, you can also resell them. So even if you don't have a digital product to offer, you can actually offer your version of the Viral Video Vault, because these videos will now belong to you and you can call them whatever you want. Now, this entire video vault is valued at $497. Make sure you click that link down in the description and hurry up and grab it, because that price may not stay the same forever. And I'm not saying that you need my Viral Video Vault to get started, because you can actually start creating these videos from scratch yourself. But if you're serious about making money and saving time, because think about how long it's going to take you to film 8,000 plus videos, okay? And you came to this video for a reason. So this is your sign to start showing up, even if you don't feel like you're ready at the moment, okay? You don't need to go viral, but you do need consistency, and having videos that are already done for you will help you with that. So I want to hear from you. What niche are you considering starting your content with first? Let me know in the comments. Let's discuss it. And if you did find this video helpful, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know that by hitting the thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you want to see how I turn these faceless videos into viral content using Canva, I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and